Good morning, friends. Today we are gonna discuss the difference between three types of volcanoes, or these are basically types of positive relief features of volcanoes. These are basically features of volcano, and features because these are formed by volcanism. Positive relief because these are elevated structures, right? Right. Now the three which we are gonna today discuss are cinder cones, cinder cones. Next is the lava cone, and the third one is the composite cone. Composite cone, right? I'm sorry for my bad handwriting. Okay, so okay, now come to the point. Cinder cones. Cinder cones. Cinder cones are basically made up of pyroclastic material. Pyroclastic material. I hope you know pyroclastic material. If you don't know, no worries. Pyroclastic material is the solid rock fragments which are ejected during volcanic eruption, right? So the cinder cones are made up of pyroclastic material, right? Cinder cones are made up of pyroclastic material. Now since they are made up of pyroclastic material, they are steeply sloped, or their slope is steep, right? The angle can be not very steep, but the angle can vary between 30 degree to 40 degree, but they are not much elevated, like they have heights less than 500 meters, right? And there is another thing that that if the pyroclastic material, since they are basically formed around a circular vent, these are formed these are this is like this is the vent, this is the magma chamber, and this is the pyroclastic flows or pyroclastic material, pyroclastic fragments, right? These are formed around the these are formed around the this circular vent and in a ring like structure. And if this pyroclastic material is dominated by fine grained material then these are known as, there is a separate name, these are known as ring crater, and another name is tough ring, right? So this was all about cinder cones, right? Now next comes is lava cone. Now since its name says lava cone, these are built up of lava flows, and since these are built up of lava flows, these are very gently sloping, and these are sometimes known as lava, or these can be known as lavas or plug domes, because these are dome shaped structures, right? If I can draw a diagram, a rough diagram, okay, assume it is black colored, okay. So this is lava dome, these are pre-existing rocks, this is magma chamber, and this is vent, right? Now next is the last is the composite cone. Now composite cone, like cinder cones, are made up of pyroclastic material, and pyroclastic fragments are pyroclastic material, and lava cones are made up of lava flows. Composite cones are made up of both of these alternatively arranged in an alternate manner, right? these are intermediate among both the extremities. These are intermediate, and these are also known as stratovolcano. Because of this alternate nature of these lava flows and pyroclastic material, these have more resistant to erosion as well, right? And the slopes of these volcanoes are sometimes covered by deeply grooved material, which are known as baracons. Bara Barancos, Barancos. These are known as Barancos, right? So if I can summarize: cinder cone, lava cone, composite cone. Cinder cones are made up of pyroclastic fragments, lava cones are made up of lava flows, and composite cones are made up of pyroclastic fragments plus lava flows. Second, these are steeply sloped. The angle is between 30 to 40 degree. These are very gently sloped, and these are intermediate. The other name is ring crater. Keep in mind, ring crater or tuff crater, these will be known as ring crater or tuff crater when the pyroclastic material around the circular vent is finite. And lava cones are also known as plug domes, lava plugs, or lava domes, or plug domes, since they are dome shaped, right? And composite cones are also known as stratovolcanoes. So I hope it is clear and you like the video. If you like, please do encourage me by liking, and do give your valuable and honest feedback in the comment section below. Thank you very much.